Sticking to the futuristic theme of her new movie Equals, Kristen Stewart looked stunning in this beautiful silver lace Chanel dress as she hit the red carpet for the film's world premiere at the Venice Film Festival. She was joined by co-star and rumoured former flame Nicholas Hoult, also looking dapper in his tailoring. The young leads posed for R-Pattz alongside director Drake Dominus before meeting their cheering fans. Equals is a love story which sees Kristen and Nicholas play colleagues Naya and Silas in a post-apocalyptic world where emotion is looked upon as a disease. It's one of 21 films vying for the coveted Golden Lion Award at the 72nd edition of the festival, which runs until the 12th of September.